Okay, today I will be making achara. The typical papaya pickle is you grate this one and then this one will be sliced into different shapes like flowers or strings or big sticks. But this time I will show you my version. I will grate all of them like this. So when you eat your carrots, you will be eating it like your papaya. Hmm? This is easier. You peel the papaya and then just use your peeler, the mandolin part. Let's put salt so we can squeeze out all the water. Don't worry, this will still be crunchy. I have the Chinese green beans. Okay, we'll cut the ends. This eggplant. You have to soak the eggplant as well. I have here a cup of water, then a cup of granulated sugar, and a cup of vinegar. There you go. The grated ones I already squeezed out the water, so they will cook quick. Okay, let's add the veggies. I tasted the sauce, it's good, balanced. You will never get wrong if your ratio is 1:1. Okay. We will not overcook the veggies. Then what I do is I will just pour this over the papaya. Okay. While boiling, you have to pour it over papaya and the carrots will cook. Beautiful. See? So we are not overcooking the papaya. It just cook itself. The heat. Yes. And it's done. I put this in a container in a jar. Here's our achara. Enjoy!